Hello and welcome to the session on Chapter 10, Sending Job Application. In this chapter, we'll mainly concentrate on the aspects as to how to send a job application to the organizations, what are the different means a candidate can look for to search and apply for jobs, what are stages of recruitment, and what are the key aspects a job application or a resume should contain. We'll also have a virtual tour on the present-day campuses in whole as to understand why it is not meeting the expectations set by the corporate sector and how the gap between the campus and the corporate be bridged. Well, before we begin, I would like to know how many of you would prefer a career in the most prestigious multinational corporations? I'm sure many of you would. Yes, the corporate world has always been the preferred career destination of many young men and women. Not simply because the corporations are considered to be the good paymasters, but also because they are thought of as fair places which recognize and reward the employees' excellence. But wait, how do you get your foot into the door of such corporations? Well, the first step towards getting the job you want is to prepare a job application or a resume and know how to navigate your job application through the selection process. Yes, your resume is the first step of your selection process. Being a job aspirant, it is not only important for you to prepare an attention-grabbing resume, but also to understand the stages of recruitment process. Most of the corporations prefer a long and difficult recruitment processes, thus making it challenging for a candidate to get through. But with clear knowledge on stages of recruitment, proactive skills, thorough research, and some finely tuned writing, every aspiring candidate can be well on the way to get a call for an interview. But does your effort and preparations getting a job end at this? No. There are various skills required for doing various jobs offered by these corporations, and these are collectively called as job skills. Along with a good resume, you should also possess these skills as further rounds of recruitment test you based on these skills. Well, let's learn about these skills in detail in our next chapter. Now, let us start this chapter by listing the difference between the campus and the corporate. Following this, we'll also focus on the shortcomings of the campuses and discuss about the measures in improving them. Further on, we'll list the various stages involved in getting a job and discuss about each stage. Following this, we'll define a resume and differentiate it from profile, biodata, and curriculum vitae. We'll also discuss about the rules, do's and don'ts, and attitude expected from a resume and explain about the different formats of resume. Lastly, we'll describe a covering letter and discuss about the general guidelines to be followed while writing it. I hope you find this chapter interesting and useful. Thank you.